back to another episode of Marvel Heroes Omega. Last time we left off, we defeated the Green Goblin, and we saw an image of Daredevil taking down the Rhino. Now we are going after the Shocker. You ready, Blade?
I am.
Let's go.
Alright, we go right here.
Go where? You go right here?
We can go there.
Looks like I just won the bet.
Hey, Coulson. Exit the rooftop. Great. We're in Badlands now.
Oh god.
Oh, you're playing as Daredevil now, bud?
This is what happened.
Yeah, dude. I know the city in the back of my head.
You have to know it in the back of your head because you really can't see it. Haha, Daredevil
Yeah, I
jokes.
know. Yeah, you guys live right here. Brandon, there's people.
And we're gonna have to do... Why are you defeating petty thugs?
Because I got crystals. Huh.
There's a bunch of people here in Hell's Kitchen. I
Oh,
don't want to leave you alone. He's shooting at me.
yeah.
What's an eternal splinter? Someone just said, I don't know, I can't understand a single thing you say, Gambit.
Alright, come on, follow me. We
Great,
go, yeah.
nobody can know what I'm saying. So I have a little tiny accent.
So does Rocket.
You have an accent?
Yeah, if you play as him, his character does.
Oh, in this game now. Officer Hesher, is this? Which one's Officer? Oh, this one. What's up? Does that mean the something?
I did it.
Exit the cathedral. Great. We come in here just to exit it, you know what I mean?
Right.
For it to seal Agent something something.
Brandon. Yeah, people don't have this.
Well, we did it. We defeated 6 arsonists.
Hold on, I
Trench
got
coat.
something.
Another trench coat?
You really just love your trench coats.
This one sucks. Let's go.
Who can do, mon ami?
Mon ami. Hey, what's up, Sheila? Speak to Agent Hare. Where's the hair?
In here.
In here.
In the building, my friend.
In the building.
Alright.
Let's go. Hey, what's up? Symbiote? Venom here?
Oh, Venom.
I don't want to be here if Venom's here. I think we're going the wrong way.
Nice. Yeah, we go through here.
We go through? Oh, this game's not realistic because I'm carrying a metal bow staff. I think it'll go beep, beep, beep. Get here, symbiote. Do we really have to be here while the symbiotes are here, Blade? Can we just leave? Let Spider-Man handle this.
It's his job.
It is his job. Why do we get... I guess he is in your city.
We
I can just
are.
leave.
Yes.
You have to
We are
protect your
next
city, and Spider-Man has to protect it because Venom's here. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you know. I'll just call Punisher for help.
Oh, Thanks, Blade. You don't need me. I get it. But,
You know he's my best friend.
thanks, Blade.
Okay. That came out wrong.
that did came out wrong. Because I thought I was your best friend. Just, Punisher's just bulletproof ceramics. Oh, look, that police officer is fighting the symbiote. Look, it's like taking him. Kill him.
Defeat him.
Kill the police officer before he can hurt anybody.
Oh.
He's actually fighting that symbiote very well.
You can't teach an old dog new
Yeah, I'm level 4.
No.
I'm unlocked a new power. Wait, hold on, Blade.
Yeah, justice needs to be done in my city.
Oh, I can use my bow staff now. It's not just for decoration anymore.
Not bad.
Let's go.
Okay, we
Not
gotta
in
go
here.
to here.
In here.
Alright.
Isn't today Canada Blade? Canada Blade? Canada Day Blade?
Hey. It might be.
Canada.
Oh no, we got another one.
A big one. And a little one. And another big one.
What are the credits?
Yeah, credits. These guys are just multiplying. I'm done.
No, Reddit. Almost done.
Yeah, but then there's a whole bunch over here. Oh, it worked.
They're all dead.
Over here. Confront
yeah.
Venom. Oh no.
Oh god. He's huge.
Is this Eddie Brock version? I don't know, but I don't want it.
Oh god.
Ah, it hurts. I called it an it because it's not even a man anymore.
Something else. After me, I mean, there's no city yet. But
That's why. It's your city. Hey, Downblade.
yeah.
How do I rise you? Oh. And rise. Go.
Who can do, Mona?
LB is healing yourself, I think.
Yeah, no, I got that.
I don't know which one's Venom anymore.
I took it as you did. If they came out now.
Ow.
I think after this, I'm gonna become Blade again since he's.
Ah. Thank God that I have ranged attacks.
Right?
You have no range. Do you have?
have?
I was gonna say, I didn't think you do, because Daredevil uses sticks.
I don't know. Stick. I mean, his master may be stick, but.
Ha 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 ha.
God dang it, again.
Wait, I don't know if I can get you.
I got 2 minutes.
Oh no.
50 seconds.
Got him. Oh! He dropped so much
Let's not
stuff.
do this again.
Ooh, stuff. So, he dropped a Venom medallion. And that's way better than all my other stuff. Trench coat. That's way better. Boots. That are worse. And playing cards. That are way better. Do I look good, Blade?
What?
Look sexy. I look good? Right here. Commissioner Paston. Talk to Lieutenant Higgs. Lieutenant Higgins.
Alright, you gotta go through that portal to the north.
Oh, look. It's an Avenger. We're saved.
I'm not an Avenger. Don't look at me like that. I am an X-Men. Where am I going? Lieutenant Higgins?
Higgins?
It's Higgins. Higgins? It is Higgins. There's a Moon Knight here. I love Moon Knight.
So good. And, oh,
I always become a fanboy whenever I see Moon Knight. this the police on what? Yeah, I know. They defeat Hellrider leaders?
He did.
Well, they just dropped credits for me. It just, all it dropped was, wait, hold on, Blade. All it dropped was playing cards. 2 sets of playing cards.
It gave me a playing card. I'm gonna destroy that.
Why did give you a playing card? I'm the one that needs the
I
playing
don't
card.
know. Yeah.
Where's Higgins at? Higonzo. Over here.
There. Oh, there it is.
I'm
Oh,
gone.
it's there, I think.
Ooh, Rock
Oh,
Song
they're chasing
Corporation.
us. I need help.
Blade, you need to run away.
Never run away from a fight.
Is that Daredevil's motto?
Huh. He's a Murdoch. I want to get you. Take me.
Did you really just say he's a Murdoch?
Not Murdoch. Murdochs. Murdochs are meant to take a beating.
Defeat Shocker in the abandoned subway. Really?
Oh boy.
Shocker? Well, before we do that, guys, I think we're going to end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed that little fight against Venom. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and we'll take down Shocker next time. Okay, guys, see you later. Goodbye.